Put it on fire.
Down?
Yep.
Am I gonna hit myself?
No.
Hey, hold on 1 second. You're shooting all the shells in here.